In Ukraine, explosions at a weapons storage center force road closings, and more than 12,000 people flee their homes. In Central America, heavy rains from Hurricane Michael have caused 13 deaths and brought major flooding. Now the storm is nearing the U.S. state of Florida. The International Monetary Fund downgrades world economic growth for 2018 and 2019 because of international trade disputes. And in France, thousands of people demonstrated to protest President Emmanuel Macron's planned social reforms.